In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a sheet in Tableau. Duplicating sheets is a handy feature that can save you lots of time, especially when you're working on projects where you want to maintain the structure and format of a sheet while making different content variations. Let's walk through the process. First, open up your Tableau public app. Once you have the application running on your device, navigate to the workbook you're currently working with. If you haven't accessed Tableau Public before, be sure to download and install it from the official Tableau website. Having tried and trusted access to your work environment ensures a smooth workflow when you're in the thick of data analysis. Now that you're in your workbook, let's get you to the specific worksheet you want to duplicate. This can be any worksheet where you see some potential improvements or new experiments you'd like to perform while maintaining the original intact. It's always smart to have a backup before proceeding with significant modifications, just in case you need to refer back to your original data visualizations. With your sheet loaded, carefully choose the one you wish to duplicate. Clicking on the Sheet tab will open up its full view, which is what you need to proceed. Here's where you begin the actual duplication process, an essential step if parallel development or versioning of data insights is your aim. Next, perform a right-click on the Selected Sheets tab. This action brings up a context menu with a range of options. From this menu, you're looking for the option labeled Duplicate. Selecting Duplicate will create an exact copy of your currently open sheet, including all data visualizations, underlying data structures, and formatting. Once you've duplicated your sheet, it's incredibly useful to rename it for clarity. You can simply right-click on the Duplicated Sheet tab and select Rename. It's a good practice to give it a distinctive name that aligns with its new purpose or the specific variation of analysis you're planning to perform on this sheet. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully duplicated a sheet in Tableau, allowing you to explore new analyses while keeping the original version safe. Utilizing sheet duplication can truly optimize your workflow, letting you experiment or branch out in your data storytelling without losing track of where you started. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these instructions help you manipulate your data more effectively in Tableau. Don't hesitate to explore other functionalities within Tableau, as its robust features are designed to cater to creative data visualization needs. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from mastering Tableau's features as well. Enjoy your data journeys, and see you next time.